to my blog. It's Loved Ones of Snores. It started about a month ago. We tried Breathe Right strips. They didn't make much of a difference. It's also a support program for dogs of snores. They don't seem to be as affected by it as I am. But now that we're in the bathroom, all the way in the other room. So this is just to remind everybody that they don't do it on purpose. They can control it. They love you, and we're gonna try other treatments, and so I will blog about those to see if I find any relief. We'll just go down the hall. Stay strong.